Good day everyone! Welcome to the virtual tour of Pollisum's newest solar PV system. I'm Faith, the solar engineer at GetSolar's commercial team. Today, we're taking a look at how this heavy industry leader has integrated renewable energy into their daily operations. This project was built on a 10-year rent-to-own model, first introduced by GetSolar in 2022. For Pollisum, their priority is simple: switch to clean energy with zero upfront cost and no impact on their operational cash flow. What is rent-to-own, you may ask? It's a solar solution designed for businesses who wants the benefit of solar with no upfront cost. Pollisum has opted for a 10-year RTO term. So, instead of a large initial payment, they simply pay a small fixed monthly fee to enjoy solar savings from day one. Because GetSolar manages the system during the rental period, they handle all-in payments, warranty, system performance guarantee, and more, so that it's completely hassle-free for you.
Our experience working with GetSolar has been positive. They have been professional and responsive, and we have been working very closely throughout the entire project.
We've commissioned a 188.64 kilowatt peak capacity system across a few of the property's roof. On average, we project this installation to generate 18,864 kilowatt-hour of clean energy every month. That's 288 solar panels deployed, supported by 2 high-capacity inverters. This configuration is estimated to offset at least 60% of the facility's energy needs alone. Based on Pollisum's average power consumption, this system is expected to generate at least 5,000 in monthly savings on their electricity bill.
Installing solar panel was a natural step for us as it allows us to harness renewable energy and to reduce our carbon emission. In addition, it also allows us to contribute back to Singapore's broader sustainability plans.
For this particular project, we deployed high-efficiency Aiko 655-watt peak solar panels. These modules offer an efficiency of 24.2%, and the brand is currently ranked 7th globally in the 2025 shipment rankings, making this a top-tier industrial setup. The Pollisum facility features 2 types of roofing. For the metal production roofs, we drilled roofing screws to secure the panels to the mounting structures. As for the concrete roof, we used a high-density ballast block system. This non-penetrative approach ensures the roof's waterproofing remains fully intact while providing a solid foundation for the panels. No matter the industry you're in, as long as you have a viable roof, we make solar accessible to you. If you're curious how our RTO model fits your facility or the benefits of going solar, feel free to reach out to us at GetSolar by scanning this QR code. Thank you for watching. Talk soon!